Notion has become one of the most popular productivity tools in recent years, and in 2025, it's more powerful and flexible than ever. If you're just getting started, here are 21 essential tips to help you make the most out of Notion. First, always start with templates. Notion offers a wide variety of templates for notes, to-do lists, project management, and personal planning. Using templates saves time and gives you a structured starting point. Next, organize your workspace with pages and subpages, so everything is easy to navigate. Don't forget to use headings, dividers, and toggle lists to keep your notes clean and structured. Another important tip is to use databases for tasks and notes. Databases allow you to filter, sort, and group content, making it easy to stay organized. Learn how to use relations and rollups to link different databases together. This is perfect for managing projects, tracking goals, or connecting notes across topics. Customize your pages with icons, covers, and colors to make your workspace visually appealing and easier to scan. You can also embed videos, images, PDFs, and Google Docs to enrich your notes. Using tags and properties helps you categorize content and quickly find what you need. For productivity, take advantage of Notion AI to summarize notes, generate ideas, or rewrite text. Use keyboard shortcuts to work faster, and consider creating custom dashboards for your projects, tasks, and goals. Another tip is to link related notes to build a network of knowledge that grows over time. Don't forget to review and update your workspace regularly to keep it current. Learn to use filters, sorting, and different views like table, board, calendar, and gallery to see your information in the best way. Use favorites and the sidebar to access important pages quickly, and experiment with inline versus full-page content for different purposes. Finally, explore collaboration features like sharing pages, commenting, and assigning tasks if you're working with a team. By following these tips, you'll turn Notion into a powerful productivity hub that works for you, whether for personal use, school, or work. If these tips helped you get started with Notion, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity hacks.